Hello everyone, my name is Buland and today in this video I am giving you an honest review about best digital marketing tool. Okay, let's get started. Please watch the video till end, and if you new to this channel please subscribe my channel. In this Builderall Review 2020, I will show you what's inside the program, help you weigh its features, and see if it can help to improve your online business. Software as a Service (SaaS) is known by providing scalable solutions primarily for business owners who plan to expand their influence on the internet as well as offline. Given that information, integrating a digital marketing platform such as Builderall into your online business could be a no-brainer. I bet it is. But before we jump into conclusion that Builderall is the right software for your online business, let us take a closer look at each of its features. Let's start. Quick navigation. What is Builderall exactly? Builderall pros and cons. Pros. Cons. Builderall cost and plans. Free. Builder. Marketer. Essential. Premium. Builderall 3.0 Affiliate Program. Builderall Review 2020, what's inside? The Builders 1. Pixel Perfect Builder. 2. Canvas Funnel Builder. 3. E-commerce. 4. App Creator. 5. Webinar. 6. WordPress installation. The Mailing Boss Autoresponder. 1. Trigger actions. 2. Select actions to unclicked emails. Social media engagement. Traffic management tools. SEO report. Click map. All about designing. Animated videos. Mockup Studio. Video wrapper. Builderall alternatives. Kartra. ClickFunnels. Conclusion. Builderall bonuses. If you've already decided to buy Builderall, just skip to the end of this review and grab my Builderall bonus package. Builderall bonus package. What is Builderall exactly? Created by Eric Salgado, Builderall is an all-in-one internet marketing platform packed with essential tools to help small business owners and entrepreneurs leverage their digital efforts. It was introduced around the year 2011 and was mostly geared towards entrepreneurs who wish to leverage their online businesses or start one. Last year, they launched Builderall 3.0 with upgraded tools and much more promising benefits. And the platform are divided into 5 different sections. The Builders. Email marketing. Design section. Traffic management. Social media engagement. Within these 5 categories, you will find numerous tools to help you create sales pages, websites, landing pages, sales funnels, videos, mobile applications, and many more. Being true to its name, it is consisting of at least 30 useful features. And all are designed to help aspiring online entrepreneurs like you build all requirements needed to either start an online venture or sell products efficiently. On the other hand, if you are still in doubt and looking for a way to test it yourself for free, it offers a forever free plan and a 14-day free trial for the paid plans. As such, it is indeed an excellent way to test if the product matches your business needs. Builderall 3.0 aim is to provide a complete package of digital marketing tools at a reasonable price. Rather than making individual purchases for each, the software provided a cost-effective plan to help beginners save money while delivering the results they want. Builderall pros and cons. Perfect products do not exist, unfortunately. And Builderall has its advantages and disadvantages too. So, to give you an overview, I listed down below a few of its pros and cons to consider. Pros. It comes with over 30 tools under one roof. Old features are all updated. It offers a 14-day free trial. It is an affordable alternative compared to ClickFunnels and Kartra. It's actively being updated with improvements, new tools, and features. It is preferable for entry-level entrepreneurs, particularly for those with a tight budget. It includes a lucrative affiliate program. Cons. The company is too focused on adding more tools to their platform. 30+ tools might be overwhelming for beginners. The tools, as well as the interface, should look more professional. Inconsistent user experience between the tools. Builderall cost and plans. For $19.90 a month, you can now build and manage your online biz through Builderall Builder subscription. It comes with 24 features including the drag-and-drop builder, funnel builder, A/B split testing, membership areas, drag-and-drop email marketing automation, and SSL certificate. Aside from that, you get to receive 3 domains, 100 leads, ticketing support, and live chat support. A low-cost marketing tool perfect for starters who are tight in budget. Marketer. Already in business? Builderall now offers a subscription suitable for marketers like you. For $29.90, the Marketer Bundle will give you access to platform's 27 tools. You will receive the same toolsets included in the Builder plan but with 3 added new ones: CRM, SMS, messaging, Builderall Telegram automation tool. It goes with 5,000 leads, 5 domains, as well as ticketing and chat support. Essential. Builderall does not only offer plans suitable for beginners. It has an essential plan as well, which is perfect for those who are looking to expand their business or operate a medium-sized company. The bundle comes with 30 Builderall tools including the drag-and-drop website builder, professional messenger and website chatbot, and WordPress 3-click integration. You will get 10 domains and 15,000 leads in addition to ticketing and chat support. Premium. For mid-sized to huge companies, the platform's premium package is worth a try. You will get to access Builderall Complete Toolset 38 such as Drag and Drop, Funnel, and Webinar Builder, Facebook and YouTube Streaming Tool, as well as Drag and Drop e-Learning Builder. Apart from that, you have unlimited subscribers and 15 domains together with the support mentioned above. Builderall 3.0 Affiliate Program. Builderall does not only render help to entrepreneurs who need digital assistance. It also gives a chance to affiliate marketers who wish to earn passive income through its new Builderall Business and Leveraged Affiliate Program. Builderall 2-tier affiliate system lets you earn money, and even recurring commission, for every time you sell a license after you become a Builderall affiliate. The program is all new and updated with more perks, so there's a lot of ways for earning money. This way, you can build up your own Builderall business. 100% personal sales commissions on the first payment. 30% personal sales recurring commission. 30% second-tier recurring commission. Bonus commissions for low, mid and high-ticket courses. Builderall Review 2020, what's inside? Compared to its original version, Builderall 3.0 is a neat, more organized, and user-friendly platform. On the other hand, there is still much room for improvement on the platform. And together with its UX's improvement, Builderall now offers more than 30 tools as well, making it a suitable digital marketing platform for entrepreneurs who are ready to launch their first online business. And for every one of them, you will find a tutorial for that specific program, too. And such a feature is handy for beginners, especially for tech noobs. Tutorials for the Pixel Perfect Builder. Having that said, in this section of Builderall Review, I will list down all tools included and share how to use Builderall. The Builders is a section where you can find all tools you will need to build a website, landing page, sales funnel, mobile app, floating video, online course, as well as an online store. Essentially, this category is specifically for creating materials needed for marketing purposes. Let's start with Builderall Website Builders. 1. Pixel Perfect Builder. If you prefer tools that let you create pages without the hassle of manual coding and designing, this editor is a must-try. The Pixel Perfect Builder, also known as the Drag and Drop Builder, is a program created specifically for site and page creation. Essentially, it is used to build an outline, website, landing page, sales page. But what's remarkable about it is that you don't have to begin from scratch. Rather, you can choose from its extensive collection of templates. Unfortunately, Builderall is not the best when it comes to professional templates. But there are some really good ones that are aesthetically pleasing and professional looking as well. For instance, the sidebar of the editor includes pieces that let you do the following. Add a blog to the page. Improve its SEO. Integrate a checkout process. Add or edit design elements. 2. Canvas Funnel Builder. If you are not an experienced marketer and most likely a beginner, one thing you should be wary of is your sales funnel. According to a report conducted by Fresh Relevance, the cart abandonment rate in the third quarter of 2018 was 56.82%. That is low compared to the previous years. Still, cart abandonment suggests that half of the consumers show that their sales journey was not a fulfilling one. The arrangement of your sales funnel, or how you lure a potential customer down to the funnel and convert it into real sales, is one of the most critical factors in managing an online business. It will dictate and push customers to behave how you want them to, which is to purchase your product. And failure to create an efficient customer path can also lead to little, or worst, no sales. Having that said, is your knowledge enough to build an effective sales funnel? One of the newly added tools in Builderall is the Canvas Funnel Builder. If you are not that familiar, although you should, in creating sales funnels, this feature can help you build one. What it does is that it allows you to choose your desired sales funnel or map out and construct your own. Here's what you can do inside the tool. Choose a funnel template and use it as it is. Choose a funnel template and tweak it to how you want it. The canvas lets you have a bird's eye view too to help you double check if everything is in their right place. Just to let you know, since it's a brand new tool, it's in the early stages yet. 3. E-commerce. For those who plan to venture into selling products, both physical and digital, online, the e-commerce app could help you supply what you need. The Online Store Builder is Builderall's newly added application that allows users to create and design their online shop. It is a partnership between Builderall and the already established open-source cart platform Magento. The application works like other typical online store builders such as Shopify. You have a wide variety of options to help you build your desired look as well as how it operates. However, I suggest it is wise to use an individual e-commerce shop builder if online product selling is the venture you want to dip your toes into. Investing in a separate and established platform is a much better option. 4. App Creator. Instead of reaching out to your target market through a website, why not heighten your influence by connecting to them straight from their phones? The mobile app creator, although quite too much for Builderall's overflowing bag of tools, is another unique feature to help in brand optimization. It is a drag-and-drop builder that lets you design apps without the hassle of manual coding. You can then upload it to Google Play Store, Apple Store, or Amazon App Store. In there, you can add essential marketing elements such as upcoming events, a new wall, a page where they can book your services, an announcement like sales and discounts, videos and audio files, different links to your profiles. Just like the e-commerce builder, this offer is a good deal as you don't need to hire a professional mobile app developer to do the job. 5. Webinar. Being true to its name, Builderall also added a piece wherein users could create webinars. It is an interactive webinar where you can do things such as live video streaming, share screen, and record a webinar. The feature has been sitting on the platform prior to the version 3.0 upgrade. Builderall improved it and added a function called Streaming Tool. But why you should use webinars? As of today, the use of webinars continues to become a common avenue for entrepreneurs and industry leaders to connect and build a meaningful relationship with their audience. In fact, a study conducted by the Content Marketing Institute states that almost 60% of B2B marketers utilize webinars to engage their audience and drive leads. The webinar is also among the top profit driver for B2B marketers. 6. WordPress installation. The ready-to-go WordPress installation tool is a newly added feature that enables online entrepreneurs to use Builderall and at the same time, reap the benefits of WordPress perks. Compared to the Pixel Perfect Builder, Builderall official website creator, this one has a separate set of functionalities and does not share the same dashboard as the site builder. And as every internet marketer knows, it is SEO-oriented, has a vast collection of responsive templates, and comes with essential plugins. It is also built specifically for WordPress fans and those who already are using it as their domain hosting. On a good note, I find this move from Builderall quite tactful yet clever, knowing that it has its own site and page builder. The Mailing Boss Autoresponder. Email marketing is one of the vital aspects of your online business. And failure to implement this part will result in a downhill slope. And in return, it would make your way up towards your goals steeper. But here's a catch: integrating emails as a marketing strategy is not enough. Sending email campaigns might seem easy. However, in order to get results, it needs to be organized efficiently. Most importantly, it must follow a compelling sequence in order to keep a potential buyer engaged until it is converted into sales. That being said, Builderall provides an email program called Mailing Boss Autoresponder. Here are a few actions Mailing Boss provides. 1. Trigger actions. Transfer the contact to a different list. Send a new email offer. Add a tag. 2. Select actions to unclicked emails. Send a new email campaign. Move to another list. Alter the field name. Social media engagement. Believe it or not, Builderall has also added a section packed with handy apps you can use in your social activity. Facebook chatbot. This chatbot will help you keep updated about your Facebook audience. You can send automated messages whenever someone commented in one of your Facebook posts. Social proof. Have you noticed the pop-up saying, "John just bought this X product" in online stores you visit? If yes, then that is what this piece exactly does. Sitebot. The Sitebot tool allows you to create an interactive chatbot that you can add to your sites. What's impressive about it is that you can tailor the conversation. It is a drag and drop app as well, which means it is straightforward to use. CRM. The CRM feature is where you can keep all your customers' data. Whether it is their contact details or sales activity, you can all track and record it using it. Traffic management tools. The traffic management tools section is consisting of two elements only, the SEO tool and the click map. They are built solely to help users leverage their web presence and marketing techniques. SEO report. As its name suggests, this tool aimed to guide users on how to enhance their search engine visibility. The app has every basic function you will need to check your site, just like other similar software. Moreover, the information provided in each report varies depending on the scope and complexity of the result. To give you an idea, here are the types of data you will get. Critical factors. High relevance factors. Moderate relevance factors. Low relevance factors. Optional factors. All reports mentioned above will deliver all on-page SEO information of a particular page. You will get to know all aspects that lower its visibility as well as its chance to rank high on Google. It can also give you insights on how to improve your content's SEO based on the info procured from your web page. Below are some of the elements. Appropriate keyword usage. Excessive internal links. Page titles length. Placement of keyword in titles. Meta descriptions length. Keyword usage alt attribute. Contents length required number of words. Minimum and maximum number of keywords to use. Accessibility to search engines. Thanks for watching this video and have a nice day.